Don't you just love free plants? Here I've collected some hydrangea, the hydrangea limelight shoots. I love limelight, and I've kept them in that plastic bag because what you're aiming for is really high humidity and keeping them as fresh and full of moisture as possible. So they're about 4 inches, I suppose. Um, and what you have to do is to take off all but the topmost leaves using a sharp knife. Right, just cut it off like that, and another one there, because those leaves are going to lose moisture. You're going to keep the topmost leaves there, but nip out that soft top out like that, and then pop it into a pot like that, making a hole with a pencil first and just poke it in like that, maybe quite close to the topmost leaves. I've got two more here. I'll be put all three in this one pot round the edge like that, tuck it in like that. I'll do the same with the third one, and then I'll water it and either keep it in a plastic bag fastened with an elastic band round the top, taking it off a couple of times a week to release the moisture and let it breathe a little bit, but then putting it on again, or keep it in unheated propagator, and just not in direct sunlight, but a nice warm place.
This is also a good time to take cuttings of a climbing hydrangea like this petiolaris here. So late July and August, you can take off shoots like this, which are woody at their base but still soft at the tip, like that. And I will take off the lower shoots, take it back to there, take off the lower leaves like that, take out the tip, and that will make a very nice cutting.
And I reckon those will be rooted within 3 to 4 weeks.